Hey guys, welcome back for another beer tasting video. Today I'm going to be tasting a beer that was made by my mate Carl. It's his Maple Stout, bottled on the 14th of April, clocking in at 6%. And it's a recipe kit that he purchased from Homebrew. So I've got the recipe printed out here. I'll put a link in the video description as well. So the recipe kit is based on a beer made by Behemoth Brewing called Snow Mexicans. It's their Maple Stout. Says they used AI to help create the recipe, and it says that it stacks up nicely. So really looking forward to trying your beer, Carl. Thank you very much. So we'll just quickly run through the recipe and the ingredients, etc. So it's around 32 IBUs. So the recipe kit is 9% ABV, and I think Carl said he had a few issues with the sparge, probably down to the grain crush, which is sort of outside of Carl's control. He would have got the grains from a home brew shop. So I ended up clocking in at 6%, but that's cool. 6% is still a nice sort of level for a maple stout, or for a stout in general. So yeah, running through the ingredients, all Gladfield's malt. So the bulk of it is ale malt, 6.8 kilos, then 500 grams of dark crystal, 300 of light chocolate, 200 of roasted barley, 100 of toffee malt, 100 of wheat malt, 100 of flake barley. Then it's hot with East Kent Goldings at 60 minutes and 15 minutes. And then, as the name suggests, maple stout. Carl has added 500 grams of maple syrup. So that's the proper maple syrup during the last 15 minutes of the boil. And then you can either use Mangrove Jack's M42 New World Strong Ale or SO4, 2 packets. I'm not sure what Carl used. If I find out, I'll put that in the video description as well. So yeah, there's the beer there. So yeah, serving this at around 10-11 degrees Celsius, which is a good sort of temp for a nice big stout like this. Beautiful colour, pretty much jet black, just a tiny bit of light coming through on this bottom corner, holding on to a nice little ring there. So yeah, so cheers Carl, cheers everyone else, hope your week's going well. We'll dive in and see what we can pick up on the nose. Smells absolutely fantastic. I'm so pleased that I let it warm up, or serving it warm. I think if I'd served it cold, you wouldn't be getting the same aromas coming off the top. So there's some really nice chocolate, some roasted malt aroma, getting some sort of sweetness as well, which is really nice. Yeah, so yeah, coffee, a little bit of coffee as well. Coffee, chocolate, nice sweetness there. Oh, that smells fantastic. So we're not going to wait any longer, guys. Cheers, we'll dive in. Another mouthful. Okay, we are back. Sorry about that. My gimbal decided it was a good opportunity to run out of battery. So let's go in for another mouthful. Oh, some lovely flavours coming through, following on from the aroma. Some, yeah, nice roasted malt. That chocolate again. It's got quite a creamy sort of texture to it. Probably from the wheat, it's got flake barley in it. Yeah. And that, I think the maple syrup's coming through as a really nice sort of, combined with the toffee malt, like a real nice toffee sort of sweetness. But not like sickly sweet, it's a really nice level. Like I mentioned, the carbonation is quite low, but I actually really enjoy a pretty low carb dark beer, so it really suits me. Bitterness is around 30 odd IBUs, so yeah, a little bit of bitterness, but it's not too much. It's got a beautifully sort of smooth, sort of silky, creamy sort of mouthfeel to it, which I'm really enjoying. Probably getting more like coffee coming through on the flavour than I was picking up on the aroma. But yeah, it's a beautiful stout. Sorry, just trying to think what else I'm picking up. It's got some sort of earthy, woody sort of tones as well, probably from the East Kent Goldings. So all in all, everything's sort of blended together nicely. It's actually really smooth and balanced. I'm surprised it's only a month old in the bottle. It tastes like it's been aged up for quite a few months. And what I mean by that is usually sometimes when you taste a big sort of like stout or something, it can have all the flavors can be sort of up and down or out of whack. But this is nice and balanced. Everything's smooth. This is really nice, Carl. If I didn't know any better, I would have thought it maybe had a little bit of lactose in it. So, but yeah, it's got that really, yeah, the thing that keeps coming back to me is, yeah, that creamy sort of sweetness, toffee sort of flavor, which is really nice, just combines with those dark malts fantastically well. Yeah, so Carl's got this on keg, so he's bottled some, he's got some on keg. He said it's a bit more carved up on the keg, but yeah, I think the bottle is just going to continue to improve and age with a bit more time. No, this is really fantastic. Oh, really enjoying that. There's some other flavors there I can't quite put my finger on. And I think it is the maple syrup just combining with those malts. It's definitely given it another sort of layer of flavor and sort of dimension of flavor. Oh, that's great. So yeah, if you're interested in this, and you know, I can, like I say, I'll put the link below. You can pretty much brew this anywhere in the world. If you can't get Gladfield malt, you can obviously substitute out. But yeah, if you're looking for a nice, flavoursome, big sort of maple stout, I think this one is definitely worth giving a crack. Carl's done a fantastic job, and as always, it's been a pleasure to drink it. So thanks for watching, guys. I've got some more beer mail that just arrived today from Roy, a home brewer based down in Taupo, so I'll be doing a couple more videos on those beers that Roy has sent me. So thank you very much, Roy. They turned up safe and sound. Yeah, stay tuned. Enjoy the rest of your week. Drink fantastic beers like this one from Carl, and we'll catch you in the next video. Over and out. Cheers, guys.
Thanks for watching Dina's Homebrew. If you like what you see, please come and subscribe. Enjoy great beer.